Yes, indeed. How's everybody doing? Namfoodles, Nick. How is Nick doing? I am sleepy. You're sleepy. What time is it where you are right now? I never understand how time works. Oh, that's very early. I am back where is looking. Are you in the very same house or just in the same city? We're back where we started from, you know, it's always back to the old me. Sort of same house, wow. I think when we lived here before, we left for Penn State. You all were playing Euro Truck. Oh man. Euro Truck, those were the times, man. Those were the times. Today I'm a very different person. I've left my Euro Trucker time, persona era behind me. Today I'm on SnowRunner and Mudrunner. Okay, so let's check out new cards. Doodle Duck, still Doodle Duck. Truckford's highlights, still trucking. Oh, wait, are we logged in? Yeah, we're. I saw recently that there's gonna be a Euro Truck version on PSN or something. Might go back to it. Yeah, this is one of the demos that was just released for the high score list feature of Picotron that was just released. I think it's a good way to get us up and running here. Ooh, I see a lot of new faces on the other high score list. Hello, Worksy, how are you doing? Wow, you have your own emojis. That's very cute. Wow, look, somebody has almost the same score. There's a lot of new faces since yesterday. This game is on heavy rotation. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's get the red one. Yes. All right. Oh no. I am not playing with all of my brain cells because I'm not doing the wraparounds that often. Tense, I know, right? It's getting. Oh! That's a face I recognize. That's an avatar I recognize. All right. Oh, that's me! That's me! High score, baby! Nothing can stop me now. As I say, as I plunge into the... This is so funny. Like a candle in the wind. Oh my gosh, Indra S. Look at this. The best of the best. Indra S. I think that's he has the highest score. They have the highest score on Cattle Crisis. Oh man, Kevin Thompson beats Zepp. Can you believe this? I can't believe this. Who's this buzzard fellow? Oh, has a very nice logo. Top 5? Who are you, Luca? Are you? Do you have this secret? Do you have the secret? Oh, boink! That's right. That's right. For some reason, I thought only online bonk and boink. What? Why is this online only boink? What is happening? What is? I gotta know what that is. What is online only bonk? Boink. Okay, you get this. You fetch something from. Is that? I think that might be. That might be Zepp's thing. Fetch. Okay, so wait. So it fetches. It fetches a pod. Oh damn! It loads. It loads stuff from. Oh wait, that's all. That's all there is. No, that's not. Are you sure that's another user? Because it says. Look, it says it's from. It's Zepp, yeah. That's what I'm saying. That both of these are by Zepp. And look, I think the idea is that you load the entire code. I think the idea is that you load the entire code from the partnet. Because look, it gets graphics, it gets the map, and it fetches the main Lua. So it just gets like all of the stuff from the internets. Huh? New cards. You sent me new cards. Interesting. It's the online only bonk. Oh, there it is. Oh, what? Online only bonk is by Starlight Daisies. Huh? What? A test card to see if you could run a card from Podnet. Results inconclusive. SFX failed to fetch. Oh, okay. So this seems to be some kind of bug. Yeah, because it says Zepp here, but it's not Zepp. He's been. Oh, maybe it has to do with the online loading stuff, huh? Okay, let's go. Let's. Luca TV. That's you, right? What's it? Is that like a doctor's sign? I will never get to that high score list. I like Doodle Jump more for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, it's your recreation. Nice. My Lexel of PFP is worse. It's a GIF. No. come on! I want to get to the 30s. The variable speed is really difficult. Worksy, you got 30 on this? Where are you? There you go. Yeah. You're at 12. Where am I? There we go. At 26! You gotta get better. Get good! Oh, the Zap has on 27, so... I like to get a... Yeah, but the question is, am I better at the game because I like it more, or do I like the game better because I'm better at it? You know? You're insinuating it's the latter, but it might be also the former. Oh my gosh, it was 23. This is that's the craze in the Picotron world right now. Always click late when you can. Well, but when I lose, I'm too late. You see? See? I'm too late. Nah, NES games were more complex. Had more pizzazz too. 24. This is the BS you would see in an arcade with flash prices. Yeah, maybe. I know, Wash. I told you. This month is gonna be a lot of more streaming. Finally, my promises come true. Ah, 20 freaking 5! Oh. Ah. Do they appear closer together? It's like when they cluster like this, it's super hardcore. But on the other hand, you do get a lot of score very quickly. Ah! So when you slow to do late clicks, you have to do more. When you're too slow to do late clicks, you have to do... What? Okay, so when you're slow, do late clicks, so you have more time to reckon the next one. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. I see. That's a strat I haven't considered. Let's see. I think it should give you like double points when you hit exactly the center. My game design brain immediately goes for it. 24, 24. I just pulled my Grace model of the 3D this model. It's the little toy model that Rocky Mates. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yeah. I watched a movie on this weekend. Very good movie. Amazing. Oh no, it could be abused. No. Do you think we can... Okay, so real talk. Can we create a bot for this? Like a second app that's running? Can you get access to the screen contents with Picotron? Oh, I was on the roll. 26. See, Wash, I broke through the wall. Where am I? Where am I on my list? Am I here? 26. Oh, this episode 27. I need to get 28, huh? And you get better than the creator. Nah, I'm not gonna. Just one more. Just one more. Just swear, I'm almost finished. I can stop anytime. Okay, I'm done. 26 is also a wall for me. All right, so online only Boink doesn't work. Let's see. I mean, it kind of does. What? Oh, the sound effects don't work. Huh? Oh yeah, that's what they said, right? Wait, but look, online only Boink has a lot more. How is online only Bonk has 38? Yeah, I think it's a good way to wake up. Zoop, delete. Yeah, but wait. Did I see it correctly? Yeah, see, the high score on Boink is 37, but online only Boink, the fake Boink. What? No high scores yet? Without the sound effects, it's harder. Why no high scores yet? What is happening? Ah, there we go. It's 38. So people are better, and the online version is just easier without the sound effects. I need to get better than creator today. I must defeat God. So we'll go 38 on that Boink. I'm thinking like maybe there's a reason for this, you know. Picotron doesn't let me do logged in stuff anymore. Oh, so maybe you've been put on a blacklist due to all of your experiments, huh? There is definitely some kind of like security that kicks in. I also feel like when you edit your icon, I feel like that's also something that because you quite often you get logged out when you do that. I wonder if this is the case that, you know, you just create lots of traffic and then there's some kind of server side stuff that's going to, if something really starts abusing the system, just lock them out, you know. And I wonder if this is just accidentally happening when you edit your icon. Because I think you don't really save, right? So you, like, every single click is immediately transmitted. Jude, so what are we doing? What are we doing today? We want to. This is probably not going to be a very. I'm not sure how productive this stream is going to be. I want to just maintain momentum on the high stakes prototyping. Tomorrow there's not going to be I came back. I came from Boink, rep. Unsubscribing. Give me that Boink. content. um, What? Oh, I accidentally. Load a proto stackis. Yeah, that's right. Nick, join the Boink community. The Boink meta. Okay, so immediate to do exit door cash out. That might be a thing, cool thing to try out today. Stakes based on max card value, also something to try out, but I have very low confidence that this will lead anywhere. It's probably good to try it anyway. Static stat bonus, something I'm interested in. Bait token, also very interesting. Revisit not sure tokens. Yeah. I think I have to do this alone. That's something I cannot really do on the screen. Okay, so I think these gives us a good to-do list. Just a reminder, this is what it looks like. This is what it sounds like. So we can turn on and off the different tokens. This is your classic game. Boop, boop, bonk, boop, boop. What do I tell my roguelike obsessed students who are making boring roguelikes? Get them on the Boink train. So now I know that there's 50% chance that this is the vampire, and so these are a lot safer. These are potentially a lot safer. So I'm wondering if I should go for the plus token here. Let's go. All right. Let's see if that's right, baby. That's the vampire. Stabbed it. Okay. Oh, this is a new compass. I'm gonna use the compass in the middle here. Boop. So now I know that these two are the. Oh, that's interesting. Actually, I know that this is the vampire now. Bam. See, the compass is a little bit OP, maybe. So this is a 5+ there. Oh, that's probably pretty safe. Give me the 50%. So this is so either we're gonna get this or we're gonna get this. There's an 8 here. So boop boop. This is greater than 8. I mean that makes sense. There's just 9 and 8 left. Let's stab it. Bam. Boop boop boop. 50% token. Ooh. Okay, let's get this one. That's pretty safe. Let's compare. It's greater. Stab. Boop boop boop. Compass token. It's down here. So these are safe. Okay, so this is the first parity token that we have, and the way this works is vampires it's never the same parity. It's neither even nor odd. Sadly, all of our options here are even anyway, and which numbers are left? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 is left, and 9, and the vampire. So all of these are uneven anyway. So we're not going to actually get any new information out of this, because we just happen to pick all of the even numbers. So interesting. So maybe there's going to be a punishment for using tokens. So this is the moment where I would try to get out. Ooh. All right, 50%. I love this. This game is so stupid. It was 50-50 anyway, and it gave me another 50-50. Let's trust the token. Yes, we trust the token. All right, so let's do a parity. Let's just do it in the middle here. All right, so this is that doesn't really help us that much. I probably should have put it on here because there's more even. It is a little bit Vampire Sweeper, right? I'm kind of worried that these are not just uneven, but actually vampire. So let me grab this one. Bam, there we go. Lost it, lost it. So we have 2 unevens, 1 even. Oh, look at this, look at this. This is nice. Then here, let's get the 9 here. Ooh, 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 yep. Go look at my winnings. I'm winning. Boop, 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 boop. 6, I'm down. Parity, which one do we have? We have uneven, uneven, even, even. So there's more even unevens than evens. Let's go with this. Okay, this is... I can't stop winning. Strain out. Owning bones! Ah! Let's get the... Ah! Let's get the... Yes. Okay. That's always very satisfying when you can get this. Yeah, but we don't know what it is now. It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50. Let's do this. Oh, gotcha. 50-50. Let's believe it. Oh no! I should have stabbed it. All right. So this, broadly speaking, works. I'd love to have a little bit more variation. I feel like the 50-50% Joker is sometimes a little bit useless. Or it feels like it doesn't really give you information. It just like adds more. Because the other ones give you an actual information, right? And there's like, you can like... They don't maybe tell you where exactly the vampire is, but together with other information you can figure out where the vampire is. But the 50% doesn't really hook up into other tokens. All right, so the exit door cash out idea. Let's focus on that. So the idea with the exit door cash out is that when you cannot always cash out. Right now, I never even considered cashing out. Not really necessarily. Like here, I could do a cash out now. I would get 2, right? It's pretty safe. And that was always a little bit of a cheat in the previous game. You could always like, oh, let's cash out 1, 2. Like you can just like slow roll into winning the game. Yeah, cash out, winning is 9. I think it was a bit too generous. Right? I can just like there's no tension to it. So what I want to maybe do is I want maybe to force people to make more conscious decisions about cashing out, and maybe also look for other things rather than just the vampire. So the exit or cash out is you pick a random card, and then when that card gets uncovered, you have an opportunity to cash out. But otherwise you cannot cash out. You just keep on going. That's what I'm thinking. So let's try this. Let's implement this. Mr. Pot. Wait, is this why there's there's menu and why there's 2 main lure? That's the okay. Yeah, there we go. So let's put another mode in here called exit door. How do we do this? So whenever we do, we go to game. All right, stakes mode. Okay. Okay, let's call exit door equals false. And then else if step setup 3, then let's go stakes mode classic, but also exit door equals, first of all, we can set it to true. But then after we randomize everything and we get our, where do we uncover the first one? Deal cards, there we go. So this is the auto flip. Okay, so let's add here exit door, and let's go if exit door, then exit door yes. Let's just repeat this. We're gonna go exit door equals floor random +1, and then if cards exit door value is not equals 10, and if it's face up, face down, I mean. So then we found a card, and then let's just, for example, I wish I could autoflip instead of having turn around. Let me get rid of the tea bag. So Nick, I just want to show you something, because I'm kind of cleaning up all of my storage space, so I have time, more space and money to acquire new things. And look at what I got. Do you see this? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I have very important Star Wars CCG trading cards in here that show you such important characters from the beloved trilogy, like this guy here. Very important robot. It is Lin VHM, and I like that they have like the phonetic. It's Ilian Vetim. I know, yeah. Sleazebago. There's definitely Sleazebago in here. Let me see. Is there named characters? Oh, there we go. There's the Sleazebago. Tequil! Very important character. Tequil. Tequil, a burnt out Snivian mercenary known as a double-crosser. Spice addicted. Frequents cantina looking for work, but also turned lawbreakers over to the Empire. What a sleazebag. I really like how they really data mined. Those movies are not very long. There's not that much happening in those movies. And it's just like, oh, look, there's a sleazebag right here. Kintian Strider. Kintian Strider, that's one of the guys on the holo table, right? A Gonk bot deck where they explode the universe together. Yeah, Gonks are the best. One of my favorite robots from the game. It's very good. Yeah, so I've been just like going through the cards and putting them up on eBay, enjoying them for the last time, doing the Marie Kondo stuff. All right, so if the card value is not 10 and if it's not face up, yeah, man, CCGs. But I did get a little bit into Pokemon. Pokemon is kind of nice. It's a little bit expensive because there's a bit of a run for those cards. But it's very easy to get into it in the sense that it's not a very complex game. And Pokemons are cute. Right, so if we have a card, I kind of want to save the value in the exit door. Exit door equals, so because I don't want to, for some reason I don't want to save the card in the exit door, so let's go like this. Okay, so now the exit door is saved. So now I want to, what? I see. So somewhere we need to put an exit door. So maybe like here. I'm thinking here. Where are we drawing things? Where are we drawing? Probably main Lua, I guess, right? Drovgame. There we go. And then we go if exit door, then and poop. So we're gonna go exit door. I'm gonna write down exit door underneath. And then we have to figure out where exactly put it on the screen. Let's just subtract 40 from this. Is that possible? No, wait, that's the wrong number. So like this. Wait. Welcome back. There's exit door. There's a little bit. Like this. Better. And let's put this here. Better. 66. Yes. No, not quite my tempo. Do you plan to expand high stakes with new features, or just intend to port the code? I'm not porting necessarily the game on high stake on Picotron. I do want to expand it with new features because it's a prototype for a potential iOS port, which I'm not going to do, but I want to finalize the game design before we move on to iOS. And so this is why this prototype is a little bit little bit, quick and dirty. I think if this was a real game, I would be investing a lot of more time into making the visuals nice. Like the cards don't even turn around. Come on, come on. So let me think about how best to. Let's go 13. 13. Yes, yes. So this gives us the exit door. So let's see if we can figure this out. So we need a 2. We still haven't found a 2. There might be a thing here. Let's get the compass maybe. Oh, it's a 4 and a 9. Oh, still haven't found a compass. What? The 50% Joker lied to me. Impossible. Oh, this is a good demonstration. So the exit door hasn't happened yet. Okay, this is not. What a crazy game this is. This is going to be the exit door. Yeah, so this is now the exit door. And so this would be like beep, beep, beep. This should be blinking, you know. Yeah, but as I said, I won't be doing the iOS development part of it. I have a friend who is an iOS developer, a very experienced one, and he has this covered. But development goes very quickly if you know what you're supposed to develop. So I'm taking over the game design part. Okay, so this is good. Now, when we uncover a card, I want to actually save that somewhere. Let's call this last value. All right, Swift. Duh. Gotcha. Jokes. Where do we click on things? Is it deal cards? I think it's deal cards. That's why I hate this. I could make it better. This is all my faults as well. Where do we click on the thing? Active token callback. Click token button. Nope. Make token button. Nope. I think this is it here, right? Go to gamma. Menu buttons. Attach button. These are the cards, I think. Yes. Yes. This is where we're drawing. Click card. There we go. Where's click card? Click card. There we go. Show if mode, not then flip card self. And then we're gonna go last value equals self value. Hey Kristen! You crazy runner lady. I'm so jealous. There is a marathon here in Bonn, that is a very famous marathon, and I'm thinking of joining, but I can't do a marathon. I just can't. I can do 5K easily, obviously. I might be able to do 10K, 100K. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! She's gonna die from this, Nick. What are you doing? Humans are not made to do 100K. She's true. That's true. We both have these kinds of women, right? Feed her potatoes. Eat the potato. You need the carbs. Your body is eating itself. Where is the draw update? Go to game. I want to draw. Yeah. Draw. Let's look. Is it a draw game? Draw game. It's draw game. Because I want to when you exit door. Okay. So if there's exit door, if last value is not equal exit door, or time modulo 1 equals 0, like something like this. Does that work? She did about 80K about 6 months ago. 12 hours. She's down a few minutes since. Oh. Is she the kind of person who's gonna do the Berkeley marathons or something? Like, Jesus Christ! I'm gonna hear about her in some kind of documentary at some point. Ah, I see. Berkeley, you have to also be fast, right? Because you drop out if you don't make it by a certain time. Yeah, Berkeley is crazy. Let me figure out how this works. So do a modulo 1. That's not correct, right? Because it's going to be a comma value. I could do a time, something like time times 60, and then floor it, and then do a modulo 10. That's smaller than 5. I know what I'm doing. Let's try this. Okay, we need an 8. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's working. It's a little bit fast. So now we need a 5. Ah. There we go. So it took me half an hour to, an hour and a half to remember the name of the Markdown editor on Mac, which is Macdown. Very good, very good. All right, can we do something like this? I don't like how I'm. Okay, sure. Let's go 12. And also, I want the button to appear only occasionally. So this is drawing the game. Let's do a second thing for if last. And then else and like this. WWE SmackDown. Where is it? Where is it? Go to game. There we go. Where do we cash out? There's a cash out button. So cash out. These are the cards. There we go. cache out. I should save the cache out. Oh, okay. So it's just menu buts too. That visible equals true, and otherwise equals false. Let's try that. But I think it's number 2. Let's go. Exit door. So I still can cache out, so it's already bad. Okay, didn't do Jack Bumpkins. Where's menu buts? What is happening? Oh, by the way, why is this happening here? Huh? That makes no sense. Yeah, it should be there. I think my Final Fantasy Lo-Fi. What kind of game should we do? Final Fantasy 9 Piano Lo-Fi. Let's try that. Maybe it's visible is not the correct term. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's not visible. Oh, that's perfect opportunity to check out the documentation, the new documentation on Picotron. Because they have a new section. Let me show you. Let me share this with you. Let's do this together because this is what this is what's all about, right? There we go. So GUI. A GUI in let me show you. A GUI in Picotron is the tree of tables GUI elements where each element has some basic attributes like size and position, along with optional callbacks for responding to events like clicking and dragging. Create GUI attributes. Returns a root GUI element. The root element is the same as any other GUI element with the addition of 2 special methods, draw all and update all, that are normally called oncer per frame from draw and update. The root element can be expanded into a tree by using GUI L attach to a child element. The following example program first creates a GUI and then adds 5 children to it. Each children has callbacks that allow it to be dragged, clicked, and for the color to be changed with the mouse wheel. So we created an element, we attach a bunch of stuff. Yeah. And this is drawing it. There's a drag. I didn't touch the drag yet, but it seems pretty simple, right? It just receives a message. Interesting. I should get maybe a little bit more into drag and drop. It would be nice to maybe create like a Papers, Please kind of thing where you can drag things around, like organize a desk or something, you know. Yeah, and then click mouse wheel. Yeah, the mouse wheel already had that. Okay, that's good. And then draw and update. Yeah, and draw just like update and draw. I see. I would have made it in multiple lines. Come on, what are you doing? Why the obfuscation, Zep? Why the obfuscation? Drag and drop is the best. Oh, that would be a good name, drag and drop. I attach element, attaches an element to the given GUI element and returns the newly attached element. L is a table that should have at least X, Y, width, and height attributes. Makes sense. Detach makes also sense, and then here are some callbacks. GUI elements can handle events, yeah, by defining a function with the same name as the event. For example, with an element L is clicked, the click element is handled by a function. Okay, if it exists. Self is the element itself, and misg is the table describing the event. Event callbacks, including draw and update, can opt to return true, which means that the event is not propagated to children. Oh, interesting. So if you don't want the children to be affected, that's interesting. So what are the... So we have update, draw, click, drag, release. On mouse button, release. Double click, tap, double tap. When a click is released, less than 4 pixels away from its original position. Ah. Okay. After 2 taps within 400 milliseconds. Hover, release. We have 2 release. Zep needs an editor, I think. Drag items, what's that? Message items is a table of items dragged over that element but not yet dropped. Oh, cool. So if you drag something on top of other things, right? Oh, that would be... Oh, I kind of want to try it out now. Ah! Drag items and drop items are unusual in that the event sequence can be initiated by another process. For example, when dragging and dropping files. For the format of MISG items, see drag items, okay. Has pointer is so named because in the future it might include a more general button selection control mechanism, e.g. via keyboard, and not only the mouse cursor. Ah, I see. Yeah, because that doesn't exist yet in the game. It's really weird, because you would kind of want to maybe do this at the beginning. I believe there's also a time limit on tap as well. Like if you click, hold down, and release, it won't resist it. Oh, might be the 400 milliseconds, right? Doesn't say this, but it feels like it might be. A GUI element in its simplest form describes a rectangle. XY with and an SX SY evaluate position relative to window. Normally not used in user-led programs. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. They have SX and SY. Better not to get those conflicts. With rel, with relative to parent. Height rel. Justify. Horizontal justification left. Oh. Huh. Hidden is the thing I'm looking. Self and children are not drawn and not interactive. And then ghost drawn but not interactive. Min width and mid height. Clamp element width to be no smaller than this value in pixels. I wonder what this is needed for. I guess when you change... I saw it being used for something, I forgot what. Clip to parent. Clip drawing interaction to the parent's region. Confined to parent. Force the position of the element inside the parent with no overlaps. Confined to clip. Force the position of the element inside the clip rectangle with no overlaps. Squash to parent. Or make adjust size to element to remain. Wow. Feels like with rel offer a way to do some minimal adaptive layout, but it is common to have custom code for managing the UI layout that is run each time the window. I like how this reads as if Picotron has been has like this huge repository already of regular practices. This is the first time we're writing this documentation. Non-rectangular. I wonder. I saw this. What is this? A non-rectangular element can be defined by supplying a test point callback function. No way! That takes self, x, y as parameters and returns true when the element occupies that pixel inside a bounding rectangle. For example, to create some circular draggable elements. No way! That's so cool. Sneeze coming up. Okay. So we're attaching this. There's a test point function. All right. Thank you very much. Get back on the saddle. So hidden is it? Still not working. Oh my gosh. Number 2. Where's 2? There's 2. Oh, okay. It's the other way around. Huh? Okay. Ah, it's not equal. Got it. D, 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 D. Can you sell your video games video game about the secret lives of video games? Oh, really? He recognized me. Yeah, man. Oh, I saw Doug Wilson once in my life. He was so nice. And I tried to reach out to them because I really like Secret Lives of Video Game. Which episode did it came up in? Also, I'm so far behind on the podcast because they've been talking so much about UFO 50, and I played no games from the UFO 50. I played them a little bit, but not enough to listen to the episodes. And I want to like listen to episodes after I play the games. I feel so bad. It was easier to listen to the show when it was, just random games. Okay, so how did we get here? Okay, this is the 4, so now we could cash out, right? So this is the idea, and then the cash out will just give you 1 winning. Or you can continue, but then it's like you're pushing your luck, I think that's probably a better choice because it's like you cannot abuse it that much and it taps a little more into the systems. But let me make it so that the menu butts is a little bit better positioned. Oh, interesting. Oh, it came up in the Discord. Okay, got it. I should join the Discord. Didn't I join the Discord already? There's so many Discords that I have right now. Where's the eggplant Discord? There it is. I am in the Discord. Let me say hi. Where did it come up? Now video games. Do they have me? Oh, there we go. I found it. I don't know what's wrong with my brain, but after all of this, I just realized that that's Christian Majewski, who I've been around for a while. It's so cool that he's doing all these great Pico 8 video tutorials. I think I know Christian of like indicates IGF 2010. Yes, I've been out of the loop enough that I didn't even clock all of this Pico 8 content. Trying to play more Pico 8 recently. Yeah. So what did he say about this? And yeah, that's 2 days ago. Yes, we also used to talk a little bit on Twitter. I mean, it's just like some of those people that you just around, right? It's the indie crowd. Some of these were turned out to be good, like Dog, and other people. Some of those turned out to be Jonathan Blow. Okay, so does that work now? So let's get into. Oh, that's the number. Oh, but I cannot do this. What? Oh, right. I probably want to do this. I also kind of dropped off the podcast because behind. Oh, yeah. But have been active in the Discord since. Yeah, man, Michael Bro games. What a they always have these, like, that's the problem, is like they always hit like directly into my backlog, you know. I also need to play the Michael Bro games more, because those games are not just like, oh, I'm just gonna play them and I'm gonna finish them and that's gonna be it. You have to like sink your teeth into them. Why am I gonna get to the 5? Oh my gosh. There we go. Why is it not showing up? Oh. Wait. There's the cash out. Oh, I'm running the wrong one. Yeah, so the cache is not there. I have a thing for this exactly. Okay. Oh, I think it's the problem is I cannot put it up there because. Okay, got it. Well, thank you for letting me know, SPU streams. I'm not that active in the Discord, so it's great that maybe I should be more active if they're doing more Pico 8 stuff. I also was thinking doing a bit of a pork-like spin-off because I realized that the plant room puzzles in pork-like are actually a pretty good template to do a kind of like a broke or more Michael Bro rogue-like, or more specifically the like a lights out puzzle kind of thing. Because the way pork-like works is for those plant puzzles, you have very little visibility. You quite often you can just see one tile far, but the plants attack different spaces around each other and so forth. But they also attack each other. So you know that for example, two plants cannot be adjacent to each other, and so you can kind of slowly maybe create like maybe more bigger variety of different plants, and then create like this this type of puzzle where you just get very limited information about the room, and you can deduce where other plants can be, and then you slowly make your way through that room without getting hit by a plant. So again, so kind of like lights out, because lights out is kind of like this as well. Oh my gosh, pork-like? They're talking about pork-like? Yes. Oh, you mentioned this. Yeah. Yeah, very good stuff. I need to get through the entire discussion recently. Man. Discord is so bad at letting you know where somebody's talking to you. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this later. This is not good streaming. Yeah, 7-day roguelike. I see. Okay, so what I want to do here, menu buttons, I'm adding them to the menu box. And see, the menu box is very far down the screen. So let's just put it like at 0. And all of the Y stuff, we're just gonna put plus this. And this allows us to, okay, so this is still working. This is correctly placed. Let me show you the exit door. It's here, and now it's up here. That's what I wanted. I mean, technically it's not necessary, but I think the usability of it also adds to the playtesting. So now we're printing the exit door at 80. So let's put it at 85. Yeah, that's what I want. Ding, 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 ding. 9. Okay, a little bit further down. A little bit further down still, like this. Let me get 4. Boop. There we go. So now we can cash out when we want to. It's a little bit, I would second guess that of that layout stuff. Maybe a little bit higher up. Maybe a little bit higher up. Okay, let's go a little bit higher up. 20 up. So like this. Is that better? Yeah, maybe. So now we need a 7, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah, it all doesn't really make sense, but you know, I would think about the layout later on. Okay, so let me play this a little bit with the exit door. Oh yeah, and also, okay, the exit door is, there's no penalty to using it, but okay, show values. Boop. Oh no, I don't want to show values. So let me try to figure out. So exit door is 2. Okay, so we could cash out now. It's a little bit sad when you get the exit door early. Oh, I don't want to do this. So this actually doesn't help us finding the exit door. Okay, still not there. So this is great because now we're kind of getting 2 opportunities to cash out. This is actually good. When it comes up this late, it's actually good. Something you want to do. So this is 9+. That's a very high probability. That's actually the vampire, yeah. Okay, let me just play it a little bit more. I want to see how that plays out. Okay, so let me get an uneven. Okay, this is definitely not uneven. What about this? It's a 7 and this is a 9. Okay. Boop. I am suspicious about this one. Let's get this. Still no exit door. Oh my gosh. There we go. That's the exit door. The question is, okay, we don't need the exit door. It's good. Yeah. This also might be a situation where you also want to maybe keep the... Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Exit door is 7. Sure. Still, the 7 is not there. Pretty sure that's going to be the 7. Yeah, so we could cash out here. Oh my gosh, that was too fast. Okay, wow, it's 2-0, huh? So this could be 4-8. Yeah, this is definitely one of the exit doors. The question is, this is, I don't know what that is, man. That seems scary. Let's get this one. And this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just went right over the exit door. So, okay. Well, that clears up a lot. 50% Joker. Yes, let's go. Oh, okay. I got it. Whoop. I feel it's a little bit too easy, the game. Let's get a 50 Joker. Oh, that was the exit door. Oh no. So I guess after we use up the exit door, yeah, we just want to make it go away, right? Let's do something like door closed. If last value equals exit door. All right, let's go like this. If exit door and last value equals exit door, then door closed equals true. And otherwise, door closed equals door closed. Okay. And then when we draw the game, draw game. There we go. Then and door closed equals false. Okay. I like that because it kind of like gives an out. It makes it more of a decision of whether you want to continue. Oof, that's a horrible joker to use right now. But we need to find something, right? Okay, wait, exit door is 9 though. If I pick this, it's gonna be bigger. It's yeah, it doesn't help. We could go for this. No, everything and okay. See, now I actually cashing out makes sense. The only thing I could find out, oh, this is good because it draws me in. Like, if this is it's a 1 in 3 chance that this is the guy. We could actually, oh wait, oh, We could have used the Joker. That's way too early for the exit door. 1-0. Yeah, too early. The early exit door is bad. That's the only downside. It kind of like doesn't give you much options when it's so early. You could, of course, do something like when you uncovered a certain amount of cards. Let's write this down. This is a good observation. Yeah, it's a little bit not what I'm... We could have an exit door Joker. Okay, so these are potentially lower risk. Potentially. Oh, wait. It's still there, huh? Let's play this a little bit more. Okay, so there's a 50 here. That doesn't help much. Now we have the other jokers that don't work less with numbers. So let me try that. Let me just remove the 50-50 joker. We can keep this around. Let me just play a classic high stakes game. Okay, that's definitely classic high stakes game. Oh my gosh, that was a joker there. Oop. Okay. 6. Another early exit door. Could be the vampire. Nope. Let's go there. Oh. So let's think about this. If I open these cards, will have a compare. There's a 9 out here, so that's good. No, I misclicked. Yeah, you could never get the exit door when you want it. That's a little bit of disadvantages, a bit of a disadvantage. I'm pretty sure like sometimes you can suss it out. Like the 8 here. This could be the exit door. Yeah, this is definitely the exit door. Okay, that's cool actually. Yeah, but now we... Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but now we didn't need it, right? We just got lucky. I feel like there's no real strategy here. It does make it more of a decision when right now. Okay, maybe I should cash out, but it definitely shouldn't be like -2. It should be like. But then if I make it -3, then at this point, maybe it should be like a flat. Like it always gives you like 1 stake or something. Okay, let's get this one. Ooh, this is smaller. Stabberoni. Boop. Yeah, see, when it's so early, it's kind of, and also you don't really get that much information about the numbers. I feel, at least not in an obvious way. Yeah, like what the first click is the exit door. It's like, okay. Okay, so this is now a good time for the exit door to pop up. So maybe the exit door should be after like halfway point, right? That might be a good choice. When there's just 4 cards left, you always can cash out. I also like it when it's tied to the card value. So what is currently a card value? Let me write this down. These are observations. So, because this is a good time for it to pop up. I want it to pop up kind of like in this space. I don't want to pop up early on because it's like I'm not even in the game. So cashing out doesn't make sense. Another O. As a Coral World fan, you might want to listen to 868 Hack Slog episode. Yeah, I know they've been into Coral World. Yeah. Who was it? It wasn't Doug, it was the other guy, right? Wait, I forgot. It might be Doc, though. Andy, it was Andy. Andy has turned into a Cold War sticker as well. Okay, so what is currently? So we have 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. So this is the current number of cards that we have. What is the maximum number? So maximum is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, 6, 7 plus 8 plus 9. If you uncover all of the cards, you get, it's like, I guess it's like 9 factorial minus 1, right? Oh, Cole were, oh damn, Cole and Drew were guests, sick. Yeah, okay, then I definitely want to join in. Yeah, okay, so 44 is the maximum number. So if we uncover 22, and then you get an exit door, that might be fun. Huh? How about that, huh? That makes it better if you uncover, if you get bigger cards, right? Let's try that. So let's do a different type of exit door. Should we create a new mode for this? Let's create a new mode for this. How do we do that? Do we need to hit 22? What is the number that you need to hit in blackjack? $21. I mean, it's right there, right? needs to be 21 or higher. But hitting 21, we cannot control it that finely, right? Like hitting 21. Oh, that would. Let's try it. These are. See, this is why I'm here. This is the prototyping. You know, this is good stuff. Blackjack exit door. We set stakes mode to classic for now, and let's call it blackjack. Let's call it a set to true, otherwise it's false. Okay, and then when we draw the game, first of all, total val equals 0. And then when we click on a card, so click card, total val equals plus equals self value. And then also when we deal cards, deal cards. I want to have, when we do the auto flip, total val equals cards auto flip value, like this, right? Yeah, it's not really blackjack though, right? Because you cannot have the 10. No, there's no 10. That's the Joker. And the Jack and Queen. Aces are 11. That's right. Aces are 11. So there's no aces. There's no. So it's not quite blackjack. So you cannot get it with 2 cards as you can do in blackjack. You have to flip at least 3 cards. But it's not impossible to get it with 3 cards. Is it impossible? If you get 8, 9, yeah, 8, 9. But then if you get 8, 9, you're kind of like in a good game, right? It's good. I like it. Okay, so now let me. And it would be nice if you can hit exactly 21, that something cool happens. I think that would be also very cool. Like you play like a double stakes game. Like you can jack out, but you get double stakes. That's what would be a nice mechanic. So draw game. I think we're getting somewhere here, guys. Are we getting somewhere here? If blackjack. So just do this. And if total val is greater than 21, then this is not quite correct, but we're just gonna do it. Menu buts. First of all, when that happens, let's put this up here, just so it's there. No, 75 is what we want. And we can also do this here, by the way. And then we go menu butts hidden equals true. No, we want to have it when it's smaller than 21. Else. So this is the wrong version of this game, but of this mode. But what is happening? Oh, there we go. What? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Line 18. Oh, there. Oh, yeah. Typical problem. Okay, blackjack exit door. Okay. 12. 2. Oof. Let's get this one. Okay, so this is smaller. That's good. What? Oh, it's both bigger. Ah, okay. Yeah. Backpacker. Okay. I made a mistake here. Okay, so now would be time to cash out because we hit 2022. Let's try that a little bit. So let's make it the correct version of this. Local jack time equals total val greater or equals 21. And total val minus last val smaller than 21. So then we go if not jack time or this monstrosity. And then here we're just gonna do a jack time check. If jack time false true. Okay, let's try that. What? Oh. Do I have to? Last val is not there. Last value, not last val. Okay, this is perfect now. So now we could be jacking out. But I'm getting seen. I'm getting 2 good leads. Gotta go for it. Okay, so let's see. Not what I want to see. Ah, that was a vampire. Very good, very good. That was a good game. Okay, so see, I feel like we're gonna end up at a 50-50. I can already make like assumptions. Okay, we're gonna have how many jokers gonna have? We're gonna have a plus joker and a compare joker. The compare joker is gonna be probably useless or close to useless. The plus joker might help us. So we have a kind of like a decision now. Okay, let's go for it. Because I'm a gambler, apparently. Oh, okay, so we know where it is. No, we don't know where it is. Let's do a compare here. That's smaller. Okay, let's stab. But maybe a higher jack out value. So now we can like tweak this, right? interesting. Very interesting. All right, I think let me do 3 more games, and then I think we're gonna end this for today because my daughter is coming back from school soon. I'm a little bit hungry. I want to eat something, but I think this was a productive stream overall. I like it. This is good. I kind of want to dig into this. But actually, this is a good example. Like this is gonna be tricky. This is gonna be tricky board state, right, to deal with. So maybe cashing out here might be a good idea. Yeah. This is better, yeah. Let me do a classic game. Oof. Now jacking out? Do we have any leads though? 9 and 8 are uncovered. This is generally a good situation to be in because the plus token is going to be strong. All right, we got it. Okay. Mm-hmm. We could get a compare joker here, potentially. We kind of made the mistake that we didn't go for this. Let's get a compare joker. Okay. Okay. Of course. That late in the game, this joker doesn't do anything. Yeah, we need to go 50-50 here. Let's go. Oh, what? Oh, interesting. You can click on you can stab a card that's already uncovered. Okay, last game of today. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, okay. No, I need a real game here. Okay. All right, so it's 19 here, huh? This will push me into the exit door territory. Oof, already. I don't even have this. Oh no! Let's just stab it. Ah, damn. Okay, one more. That wasn't the real one. This is the real one. Okay. Okay, wow, that's good. 20. I think it should be a bit higher. It's not quite at the decision point that I like. So what should we do? What should we do? We could uncover this to get a plus token. That's just one click, but these are safe uncovers. But we're gonna trigger the exit door. And this compare joker, I mean, you could put it on a 7, right? But we still don't have 8 and 9. Could be here. Let's go. Oh, there's 9. That's good. No! Okay, so this is safe. Oh, that's cursed. Oh, I missed it. Okay, good. I think it's not quite there. Let me put in some notes. Let me maybe erase the value, question mark, like something like this. Thank you so much for joining me. It was a great pleasure. Now, as for plans for next streams, I always like to announce where next streams are going to take place. Tomorrow, I probably won't do any this type of Picotron streaming. Tomorrow, I want to focus on making the next video. So I might write a script tomorrow, or maybe record tomorrow. We're gonna see about that. On Thursday, we might return with a stream. And as also no Final Fantasy III stream this evening. I have a board game evening, but tomorrow maybe there's gonna be a Final Fantasy. So tomorrow only Final Fantasy III stream, and on Thursday we maybe do both. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It was a great pleasure. Feels like we're doing some progress, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. We are figuring things out. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.